Hello everybody. Here are some questions with answer. Okay, of chapter digestive system. So the first question is the teeth which help in tearing the food are, and the answer is canines. Clear? Because canine help in what? Tearing the food. Now next, the last molar tooth in human beings is called wisdom tooth. The answer is what? Wisdom tooth. Many options will be there, so out of all the options you can mark wisdom tooth correct. Now next question, the hardest substance in your body is, what is the hardest substance? Enamel. Yes, you know this, enamel is the hardest substance in our body. Now next, saliva convert starch into what? Maltose. Clear? So saliva converts this starch into which form of sugar? Maltose. And maltose is what? Maltose is a form of sugar. Okay. Now next, proteins of the milk are converted into curd by the enzyme. Which enzyme? Renin. And this enzyme is present where? This enzyme is present in the stomach. This enzyme is present in the stomach. Now next, bile juice is produced by which organ? Liver. Yeah, very good. Now next, true or false? Molars help in cutting and tearing food. This is true or false? This one is false. Okay, because molars help in what? Grinding and crushing. Next, carbohydrates are digested into glucose. True or false? True, because the simplest form of carbohydrate is what? Glucose. Clear? So when digestion of carbohydrate occurs, the simplest form we get is glucose. Next is, proteins are digested into fatty acids. No, this is false. Proteins are digested into what? Amino acids. Clear? Amino acids are the simplest form of proteins. Next, the teeth called dash are a total of 4 in number on the sides of incisors. The answer will be what? The answer will be canines. Clear? So here you can write the teeth called canines. A total of 4 in number on the sides of incisors. Now next, a dash is a common passage. A dash is a common opening of food pipe and windpipe, and the answer is what? Pharynx. Pharynx is a common opening of food pipe and windpipe. Next, molars are meant for dash the food. So molars are meant for what? Grinding and crushing, or you can write crushing and grinding. Okay, this doesn't matter whether you write grinding first or crushing first. Now next, incisors are used for dash and dash the food. So dash and dash, what you can fill? Biting and cutting the food. So incisors are used for biting and cutting the food. Next, the dash are used for tearing the food. Which one? Canines. Which type of teeth? Canines. Clear? So the canines are used for tearing the food. Next is, the dash and dash are used for crushing and grinding the food. The answer will be what? Premolars and molars. So the premolars and molars are used for crushing and grinding the food. Next, in an adult human, there are a total of dash teeth. What is the number of total teeth? 32. Clear? 32 teeth present in adult human. Next, the human teeth appear in 2 sets. The first set is called as what? Milk teeth. Another name of milk teeth is temporary teeth, and which consist of only how many teeth? 20 teeth. Clear? So the human teeth appear in 2 sets. The first set is called milk teeth, which consist of only 20 teeth. The end product of starch after digestion is called as what? Maltose. Now, the next is the organ where protein digestion begin. Where protein digestion begin? What is the organ? The name of the organ is what? stomach. Clear? So the organ where protein digestion begins is stomach. Now next, the organ into which the pancreatic juice and the bile juice are poured. What is that organ? Duodenum. Clear? So pancreatic juice come in duodenum through pancreatic duct, and bile juice come in the duodenum through what? Bile duct. Next, the enzyme which digests fat in ileum. What is the name of that enzyme? Lipase. So lipase convert the fat into fatty acids and glycerol. Next is the simplest form of carbohydrate is what? Glucose. Okay. So simplest form of carbohydrate, glucose. Simplest form of proteins, amino acids, and simplest form of lipids or fats, fatty acids and glycerol. The part of alimentary canal where water from the undigested food is absorbed. What is the name of the part of that alimentary canal? Large intestine. So absorption of water takes place from undigested food in which organ? Large intestine. Next, the end product of protein digestion is, what is that? Amino acid. Clear? So the end product of protein digestion is amino acid. End product of carbohydrate is what? Glucose. Next, name the juice secreted by the liver. What is the name of the juice? Bile juice. Okay. Next, name the organ where this juice is temporarily stored. What is the name of that organ? Gall bladder. Clear? So which juice? Bile juice. Bile juice is temporarily stored where? In the gall bladder. What is the main function of this juice? The main function of bile juice is what? Emulsification. What is emulsification? Yes, when the fat is digested into what? Fat is broken down into smaller tiny droplets, then it is called as emulsification. Means breaking down of fat is called as what? Emulsification. Now the next question is that identify and name the 4 types of teeth shown below and state their function. This is the question. So first one is what? Incisor. Second one is canine. Third one is premolars, and fourth one is molars. So let's discuss the names and the function. So first one is A. A is what? Incisor. And what is the function? Biting and cutting the food. Clear? B is what? Canine. And what is the function? Tearing the food. C is premolar. And what is the function? Grinding and crushing the food. And D is molars. And the function is grinding and crushing the food. Okay. Now next question. State whether the following statements are true or false. Wisdom tooth appears at the age of 5 to 6 years when the child starts going to school. This is what? Totally false. Okay? The temporary set of teeth includes incisors, canines and premolars. This is false. Not premolars. It is molars. Okay? So false. The duct from salivary glands open into the duodenum. This is false. Okay, and saliva changes starch into maltose. This one is what? True. Clear? And you know maltose is what? Maltose is the form of sugar. Okay, maltose is what? Maltose is a form of sugar. Clear? Now next question. Fill in the blanks in the table. Clear? Means this table you have to fill. Okay, so first one is what? First one is this one is the first one, and dash enzyme converts fats into dash. So what the answer will be? The answer will be what? Lipase. Clear? So here the options that given is not very correct options. Okay, so don't write this answer from this option. It is not very correct. So the correct answer I have given here. So the question, the first one is what? The first fill in the blanks was that you have to name the enzyme that acts on fat. So what is the name of the enzyme? Lipase. Clear? Lipase. Then second one is what? Pepsin acts on. So second one, pepsin acts on what? Proteins. And third and fourth answer will be, means convert it into, so pepsin acts on proteins and convert it into peptones and proteoses. Clear? Then the last one, lipase. Clear? Lipase converts fats into what? Fatty acids and glycerol. Okay, so only one option is given there, means fatty acid, but actually not only fatty acids. Correct answer, complete answer will be fatty acids and glycerol. Okay, now the next question is, name the juice secreted by liver. Clear? So the name, what is the name of the juice secreted by the liver? Bile juice. Clear? Then the name the organ where this juice is temporarily stored. Which juice? Bile juice. So bile juice is temporarily stored in gallbladder. Then the third one is, what is the main function of this juice? The main function of this juice is what? Emulsification. Clear? What is the main function of this bile juice? Emulsification. And what is emulsification? Breakdown of fats into tiny droplets. Clear? This is called as emulsification. Now next question is, name the 3 enzymes found in pancreatic juice and mention their function. So the first juice present in the pancreas is amylase, and amylase act on starch. This is the function. Clear? This part is function. So acts on starch and converting into maltose. Then the next, this is the first one. Second one is what? Trypsin, convert proteins and peptones into peptides. Okay, this is the second. And the third enzyme is what? Lipase. This is the third enzyme. So it converts emulsified fats into fatty acids and glycerol. Okay, now next, name the 3 regions of the large intestine. So what are the 3 regions of the large intestine? So the answer is cecum, colon and rectum. These are the 3 regions of the large intestine. Now next, this is the question. You have to, here you have to label. Clear? You have to name the parts from 1 to 12. So let's discuss here. It is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so the first one is what? Stomach. This one is stomach. Second one is what? Chyme. Clear? So don't get confused. Second one is chyme. And what is chyme? Chyme is what? Pulp like thick paste of the food. Means the food get digested and converted into what? Pulp like thick paste, and this pulp like thick paste is called as chyme. Now the third one is what? Pancreas. You can see here, pancreas. Now the fourth one is large intestine. Fourth is large intestine. Then the fifth one is small intestine. Okay. Then the sixth one is rectum. Then the seventh one is appendix. Then the 8 is here. 8 is what? Duodenum. Then the 9 is what? 9 is a gallbladder. Okay. Then 10 is what? Liver. And 11 is what? Anus. Okay. Now the next question is, the question was state 3 functions of the juice secreted by, here state the function of the juice secreted by part 1. So part 1 is what here? Part 1 is stomach. Clear? So means we have to write the function of the juice secreted by the stomach. Okay. And the juice secreted by the stomach is what? The juice secreted by stomach is a pepsin. And what is the function of pepsin? It converts proteins into a simpler compound called peptones. Okay. Now next, state the function of the 3 enzymes found in the juice secreted by part 3. So part 3 is what? Pancreas. Okay. So here, what is this part 3? So you can write here pancreas. Okay, so this is the name of what? Part 3, pancreas. And now let's discuss the enzyme secreted by the pancreas and the function of it. So first one is amylase. And what is the function of amylase? It acts on a starch converting into maltose. Then the second one is trypsin, and it converts proteins and peptones into peptides. And third one is lipase. It converts emulsified fats into fatty acids and glycerol. Okay, so this much is only for this video. More questions are there, and that I will do in the next video. Thank you very much.